When herbs and leaves are no longer active and potent, we are the cause. We are all culprit. We have a hand in it. Because in those days, even if our parents, if they use bitter leaf, they use some other leaves that are commonly seen around for health issues, it works so fast. It works very well, like magic. Where have we gone wrong? I will tell you, I am Bimi. This advent of using herbicides to kill herbs all around, to kill weeds, spraying chemicals on weeds, the leaves you call weeds, spraying chemicals on them affects their potency. It kills all the powerful components, health components that are therein. And we keep doing this repeatedly. That is why, if you go to the village where they are not using all these chemicals, all their leaves, their herbs, they are very potent, they are very medicinal compared to those of us in cities, in urban settings. Because we are too lazy to cut. Our grandparents, great-grandparents, they don't have all these chemicals. They cut their grasses, they cut their bushes. And when another one springs up, it remains potent, it remains effective. Let us stop this habit. Aside from not allowing all these herbs to be effective again, all these chemicals, they go down. Rain falls on them, they go down. At the end of the day, they come back and return into the water we use. And that is why we have so many unheard disease in the past. Diseases we have never heard of. We start hearing of them. Why? Because when they go down, we still take out of them. It still come up to the water we take, the water we use. Let us be wary of this. Let us exercise. When you cut grasses, you are exercising your body. It doesn't kill you, it helps you. Please, let us desist from doing this. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ṣé mọ̀ pé gbogbo àwọn ewé kékèké tá nínú ilé tá máa ń lò, tẹ́lómi bá lọ á ní kò kí ń ṣiṣẹ́, eléyìí ò ṣiṣẹ́, eléyìí ò ṣiṣẹ́, ṣé mọ̀ pàwà láfà tí wọ́n fi ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́. Ẹni kì í ṣáwò. Torí pé gbogbo àwọn agbára tọ́lọ́run fi sí inú ẹ̀, gbogbo ẹ̀ láti lé dànù. Gbogbo àwọn àjọ̀nú tọ́lọ́run fi sí, gbogbo nǹkan ló láǹjọ̀nú tiẹ̀ o. Tí n bá dọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ àǹjọ̀nú, angel, àwọn power tọ́lọ́run fagbára tọ́lọ́run fi sí ni mò ń sọ o. Àti lé wọn dànù. Mo pé àwọn máa fin ko ni. Àwọn bàbá ńlá bàbá wọn yìí fi ko, wọ́n máa ń gé oko ni. Tó kó bá kun wọn á gé. Ìyàtọ̀ tó wà láàrin ewé tó wà ní ilé àti ewé tó wà lóko nìyẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá lọ sóko tí wọ́n ti kí ń fin oko, ẹ̀yin já àwọn ewé yẹn. Tẹ́ bá lò wọ́n báyìí, wọ́n máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ pápápá ni. Ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo ilé ìtagbìn sílé àti fi wọn tán. Gbogbo agbára tó yẹ kó fi ṣiṣẹ́ tó wà ń bẹ àti lé wọn dànù. Àwa máa ní wọn ṣiṣẹ́. Àwọn kẹ́míkà tá tún wá ń fín yìí, nígbà wọ́n bá tún wá wọnú ilẹ̀ lọ tán, tójò rọ̀ tó tún wọnú ilẹ̀ lọ, wọ́n á tún padà sí bí omi tá tún máa fà, omi tá máa pọ́n, omi tá máa mú. Oríṣiríṣi àìsàn tá àgbọ̀rú ẹ̀rí, àwa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣẹlẹ̀. Ṣẹ̀dẹ̀ pàwọ́ là ń ṣàkóbá fúnra wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe àmójútó ẹ̀ o. Ẹ jẹ́ àgéko, kì í pààyàn. Ó máa ń ràn wá lọ́wọ́ ni. Exercise la fi ń ṣe. Ẹ má jẹ́ a máa fín ko mọ́. Oko tá à ń fi àwọn chemicals yẹn wọn ò dáa. Wọ́n ń ba nǹkan jẹ́ fún wa ni. Ẹ jẹ́ a ṣàtúnṣe o. Èmi àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín, ọ̀rẹ́ yín, ọmọ yín Gbémi ni. Kẹ́ lọ́jọ́ rere.